I like to live in the sound of water, and the downside of the roaring northwest wind is a little big. A fish splashes and wakes me up. All my dreams are coming slowly into picture. Is it the fish's heartbeat, the moving gills, or the bubbles that let me know the fish is there? The fish is there. I am in the moment of the dew caught up in the spooled web of man-made material. The spinner flies out, whizzing towards the water. Splash! I crank it in, towards me. Set the bait of rubber smooth, made to look like worm material, and then I waited, with the fish in hand.